જીવનમાં ઘણી બધી એવી વાતો છે we have baggage shadows from our past we want to clear but it is locked and key is not in our hand we are not master of our soul we are not captain of our ship it is just moving where there if air is this side we are moving this side if air is this side we are moving this side because control is not in our hand we try to forget but that pop in so clearly so is there any remedy and we talked like 3 levels from psychological point of view unconscious subconscious and conscious just I was thinking how to start what to do in new year and suddenly you all know that I'm doing my PhD on history and method of Preksha meditation how it is created what was the first layer of meditation and practices of Bhagavan Mahavir in Acharana Sutra then the second layer Uttaradhyan Dasvakalik Pranam Sutra then classical age time of Tattvat Sutra and Uma Swati and everything is like well defined systematically and the middle age the time of Haribhadra and Hemachandra piles and piles of meditative books but lot more Hindu and Buddhist influence and finally nowadays the recent modern approach and modern development that is Preksha meditation and when we try to see Preksha meditation the effect of modernity science psychology and so many things incorporated in it so I was thinking that how to start how to clear these baggage of what to do for this and suddenly Acharya Mahaprabhu gives us one book Avachetan Man Se Sampark how we can and I not meditated upon so deeply but Praveen Bhai raised a question and very important question as a heart of this workshop 3 levels कौन से level है conscious subconscious and I thought let me check if something Acharya Mahaprabhu has written so I can answer Praveen Bhai's question and if you knock the door will open if you try and the book is in Naveen Bhai's car my bag was there so I thought what to do if I ask in between this workshop oh Naveen Bhai where is your car and where is your car key and please open your boot and please keep out my box then 11 say give me 1 minute and this will be there make you no don't disturb because he is sitting there and you will go and Naveen Bhai where is your car key and say Samniji don't bother then Rishi said a car key is here and I'll bring it and he brought my bag and I opened the preface sometimes we think that shall we read this preface or not but very very important And the answer is here. Just reading from Acharya Sri's book. तीन स्तर पर कार्य चलते हैं, अचेतन, अवचेतन और चेतन. ये मनोविज्ञान की भाषा है. दिस इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. प्रेक्षा ध्यान की भाषा में अचेतन को कर्म शरीर के साथ प्रवृत्त चेतना. अचेतन इटले कर्म शरीर, द कार्मिक बॉडी. अवचेतन को तेजस शरीर के साथ प्रवृत्त चेतना, यानी तेजस बॉडी एंड अवचेतन मन. एंड चेतन को औदारिक या स्थूल शरीर के साथ प्रवृत्त चेतना कहा जा सकता है. चेतन एटले ग्रोस बॉडी, औदारिक शरीर. सो व्हाट एट आवर सेंस ऑर्गन लेवल? This is cold, this is heat, now it is okay, I like this, I don't like this, and this is so sweet, so nice, looking good, and so many things before us, but at physical level. And that is very, very momentary. Just instant, whatever we feel, that is our reaction. So on the level of sense organs and bit of mind, because mind is collector. So this is the first level. We all can feel it. Whatever happened, oh, so hot milk, so nice pudding, and nice cake, and nice things. So this is just at the sensory level and very, very gross level. Then tejas, bioelectricity, fiery body, and that tejas sharir is not only in this life. This is from beginningless. When we started video, we have no clue. Tejas Sharir was with us in past, in present, and will be in future. And this Tejas Sharir carry on this baggage. Baggage is not visible, baggage in the back. It is there in the pocket of Tejas Sharir. But more deep rooted. We never know. Means his grandfather was not like this. His father was not like this. His mother is not like, and both paternal uncle, maternal uncle, this no family, all don't have such habits. From where this baby got these habits? From where these sanskara came? Why this person doing like this? So root is achetan. Achetan means karmic body, karma sharir. So in one side, when we read the reptilian brain, thousands and thousands years ago, have you seen some person in anger? Sometimes they behave like a monkey, sometimes like a donkey, sometimes like a lion. So many animal instinct. Sometimes a person loves someone and he can do so much bad for the loved one. So many bad instincts. So these are not from today. This is the past baggage. A baggage from many, many past, but unconscious level. And it is very hard to open these layers. Only Keval Jnani can reach there. There is no answer for this from psychologist. No psychologist reached there. Or just they trust 5-10% subconscious mind. And that is related to our digestion. So many things in behavior, we have a mask on our personality. We want to show whatever we like to show. We want to behave whatever we like to show, not what we are. We have to hide. And this art of hypocrisy is developed in highest degree in human being, not in animal, not in bird. Whatever they have to do, they do in open. But we have reasoning mind. We have the impact. Oh, this is bad, this is good, this is right, this is no. So this reasoning mind. And that's why sometimes something pop up from subconscious mind, we try to hide. But the art of clearing, art of cleansing is very, very difficult and not much taught. And in meditation, in deep relaxation, the key is deep relaxation. Use deep relaxation and try to clear all these things from each and every nook and corner of the body, because our soul point, Atma Pradesh, is prevailing all over the body. So try to keep them out, and for this practice we need to do long relaxation. Not 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, even long meditation, long relaxation, and communication with our each and every soul point, Atma Pradesh. And to understand that each and every cell, communication with ourselves, and then try to clean, and then try to replace with positive energy. So this is the process, the mantra process. At first level, at second level. First level we did from the aura and 3 inch away from the body. And the second level, concentrating on the cycling center and wum wum, lum lum, rum rum. This is also a cleansing. And the final cleansing is slowly try to delete. Give this work to your subconscious mind. And to connect with subconscious mind, we need deep relaxation. And then just say, order it. It is a big giant. Just order, you do this. Once it is story, one person, he did sadhana on a spirit, Bhoot. And Bhoot was ready. Okay, I'm in your seva. What is your order? Clean this house. And that's it. Tathastu. Sir, house is clean. Clean the kitchen. Kitchen is clean. Clean the plates and all stuff. Yes, clean. Just kaho ki ready. Everything is ready. You have to just recite. Ready. After 20 or 30 minutes, so whatever you told me, I did all work. Let me tell what to do. Otherwise, I will eat you. The person was so fearful. Oh, why I activate this Bhoot? Why did I did such a mantra? Then he said, okay, I have big work. There is a tree outside in the garden. You go and climb up and climb down. Up and down. And then next time I'll call you. until you do that. So this is the power of our subconscious mind. And without knowing the time, without looking at the watch, just climbing, going up, down. We are in sleep, we are active, we are doing. At conscious level, whatever we doing, but subconscious mind is always active, doing the same sort of activities, repeating. And it can repeat whenever, however, how much, what amount it can do, there is no measurement. So this giant is there. And if we ask it, do this, first we have to activate it. And relaxation is the key. Through relaxation, we can contact our subconscious mind. And through this, we can suggest it, we can order it, we do this clean, and delete all this matter. Delete this story from my mind. I don't want to see it repeating again in my life. Just I want to clear it, clear the clutter. And this will do. I practiced it, and 99% I felt it is working. So nicely it is working. So the key is deep relaxation. And such, this is just initiating the topic. What we did today is just initiation of the topic. But lot more practices. And in that practices, we can do like someday whole day camp for only one thing, one topic. No, and how to connect and how to do. How to connect and how to do. This we can do. Such Preksha meditation workshops.
Is this the same as Nirjara of Karma?
It is Nirjara of Karma and like Samvar. Stop it. Not repeating. Just it is burnt out. No more doing same thing. Ahyam padikamami padupannam sammareni anagayam pachakhami. I want to clear the past baggage, and in the present I do some work, and I do some work, that's why I don't want to repeat it again in the future. So, because you see in Jain Sasana, many persons, they were like Daku and initiated as a monk. They were king and initiated as a monk. They did so many bad things and initiated into Jain Sangha. Yesterday he was Daku, he did so many murders, and today he is a monk. So this was the key to cut off from the past and clean, totally cleansing, nirjara. And this was the process. Otherwise it is very, very hard. One Sindhi girl from Maharashtra. She came in training center for nuns and she initiated as a nun. Today she is a part of Dharma Sangh. She is a Sadhviji. So one day, it was my bari, my turn. In Paramarthik Shikshan Sanstha, we has turned to serve food, cleaning, mopping, all these things. So it was my bari, and that day they made sabji, kakadiya matiriya, kakadiya, uski sukhi sabji. So it is like this which pieces, and they boiled and they made a rice sabji, meathi sabji, Gujarati jeli bolche. तो जैसे उनको परोसा, she started weeping. I thought, what happened? We thought she is coming from like a Sindhi family. Maybe this is Marwadi kakadiya sabji, khelra ki कहते उसको khelra. Maybe she don't understand. Then I say, okay, what happened? You come out. I took her outside. He said that I came from Sindhi family, and now I quit from the meat. But previously we are at our home they cook non-veg, and it is. I feel that it is the same. No, it is not same. It is kakadiya, it is vegetable, dried vegetable, and if it feel you like the same, then you do tyag. No need to eat this sabji, because she is just recollecting her past. And then she started weeping. So I said, okay, you do tyag for lifelong. If you feel and you remember the same thing for this. So sometime in our what we given up, sometime that also pop up. And then I took her and I asked, you do meditation and just clear whatever you eat in your or you have eaten at home, just clear from your mind. And we given her meditational practices, and after 1 month she said, now I feel much better. If looking at anything I can't like make the coincidence and not making the similarities with these things, and I feel much better. And now I'm not remembering what I have ate, what I have done at home. So look at this. So today just I'm taking 18 path. Pranatipat, Nishavada, Dattadan, Mithun, all 18 path. So I'm not taking all 18, just Krodh, Man, Maya and Lobh. So a meditation, first little relaxation, then our nature is not Krodh. I am not anger, because I am a soul and I am a pure soul. So I am not anger. Anger is not my nature. मैं क्रोध नहीं हूँ, क्रोध मेरा स्वभाव नहीं. क्रोध क्या है? विभाव है. It is covered something. I have taken like a shawl. I can remove it. Anger is not my nature, not the nature of my soul. It is not property of my soul. Soul ની property શું છે? જ્ઞાન, આનંદ. These are the properties of the soul. So anger, I am not anger. Anger is not my nature. And then during the last year, if I did any incident of anger, high anger, medium anger or low anger, just try to see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, or not month wise, just few things are still in your memory. Okay, I did so big argument with my mother, father, brother, wife, husband, and at that time situation was not so good. So I'm not anger. Anger is not my nature. If I committed such and such things, I ask for forgiveness. Tatsamicchami dukkha. Tatsamicchami dukkha. In this way, clean from your mind. So be ready. This is Vichay Dhyan. Vichay Dhyan. Bhed Vigyan. Bhed Vigyan. I am not anger. Anger is not my nature. Yadi maine, if I committed anger in last year with family members, just they will pop in. With at our office, at your work, in social activities, with friends, with kids, with children, with family, with wife and husband. If I committed some incidents, some bad anger, high anger, low anger, middle anger, then then I will not repeat same sort of exercise in this new year. Making sense? Connecting? અને તમારું બેગ છૂટી જશે? Clear the bag. Meditation pose. Begin the meditation session with Mahapran sound. Self-realization, practice Preksha meditation. I am practicing Preksha meditation for the purification of my psyche.
I am practicing Preksha meditation for the purification of my psyche.
I am practicing Preksha meditation for the purification of my psyche.
I am practicing Preksha meditation for the purification of my psyche.
First step of meditation is relaxation. Concentrate your mind on the center of purity, Vishuddhi Kendra. कंठ पर चित्त को एकाग्र करें. Concentrate your mind on the center of purity situated on the throat. Relax. Relax your vocal cord. With the relaxation of vocal cord, relax your whole body. It is the main switch. Relax, relax, Relax. 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 Experience the lower portion of the body is totally relaxed. Middle portion, relax, relax. Upper portion, relax, 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 relax. The whole body is relaxed. I am not anger. Anger is not my nature. मैं क्रोध नहीं हूँ. क्रोध मेरा स्वभाव नहीं है. If I got angry during the last try to analyze, try to see when, where, with whom I got so much angry, argumentative, harsh, and sometimes out of control. High anger, medium and low, sometimes road rage. Anger with like and dislike. No sleep. Be aware. Try to see when you got angry. When, where, and with whom. Try to release that incident that happened through your breathing. While you exhale, all that dirt is going out. You are cleaning. Deleting from your memory. From the tip of the toe up to top of the head. Each and every part of your body. If there is any effect of that angry situation, try to clean it, throw it out, kick it out. if I committed any mistake due to angry situation in last year. Tassamicchami Tassamicchami. Feel it very deeply, not only verbal. This year I will not repeat the same sort of exercise, same sort of things in my life. Take a firm resolution mentally. I'm not going to repeat same sort of things. I don't want to make a habit. I have to cut this bond because this is not my nature. Anger is not my nature. For self-practice, I would like to suggest to you that today, during this week, take one portion, like anger, then sometimes take ego, sometimes deceit, sometimes greed, and try to make a discrimination. I'm not ego, I'm not anger, I'm not deceit. This is not my nature. I am pure soul. This is my nature. This is not my nature. If I committed this incident, then tassamicchami dukkham. Delete it, clean it. And this is just we did for anger, but there are so many things in our life. Sometimes negative attitude, sometimes some other type of our own whims and on cynical natures, on prejudice. So many things inside our psychology. So we try to understand us and then try to unveil yourself. And this is the process. First, our nature is not anger. I am not anger. Second step, if I did, then try to understand, yes, I did. Accept it. Then third thing, clean it. Throw it out through your breathing. While exhalation, throw it out. And finally, take a firm resolution. I will not going to repeat same sort of exercise again in my life. So this is meditative practice.
Can you please repeat these 5 steps?
The first step, like for de-automation, we start Mahapran sound. Second, we do relaxation, because without relaxation, we cannot understand ourselves, our true nature. So relaxation is must to connect with subconscious mind. Then third thing, mainly at gross level, try, because few incidents we understand. Oh, I shouted. Suppose I can't shout on Rajesh Bhai or Dinesh Bhai. I say, oh, हिमप्रज्ञा जी, कितना धीरे धीरे करते हो, जल्दी से करो, मेरे क्लास का टाइम हो गया. इंस्टेड ऑफ इट, हिम प्रज्ञा जी जल्दी करो मेरे क्लास का टाइम। Two different things. Huh? In one I boiled. कितना धीरे करते हो, काम समेटा ही नहीं जाता है, मेरे क्लास का टाइम, जरा जल्दी करो मेरे क्लास का टाइम हो गया, या अभी रहने दो फिर कर लेंगे। तो उसमें मैं बोइल्ड नहीं, मेरी एनर्जी और वो एक कषाय की स्थिति नहीं बनी, स्ट्रेस नहीं आया, भीतर से एक तनाव पैदा नहीं हुआ, और माय तनाव, माय स्ट्रेस आई एम पुटिंग ऑन हर। सो वी बॉयल विद डिफरेंट पर्सन एट डिफरेंट डिग्री। जयशंकर प्रसाद ने एक बार कहा था, जो जिसके जितना निकट है, जो जिसके जितना निकट है, क्रोध उस पर उतना प्रकट है। Am I right?
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
उन लोगों को ऐसा लगता है,
आप करते हो।
उन लोगों को ऐसा लगता है परमिशन है।
Names that are the
दादी जी, उन लोगों को ऐसा लगता है परमिशन है।
इनबोर्न कैरेक्टर।
देखो इसका फेस देखेगा तो ऐसा क्रोध दिखेगा ही नहीं इसका, सिंपल आदमी।
हाँ, सबको हाथ जोड़ के कि आओ आओ बैठो बैठो। नवनाथ का प्रेसिडेंट, नवनाथ का प्रेसिडेंट हुए। अच्छा इनसे मिलो, ये भूपेंद्र भाई, ये नवनाथ का प्रेसिडेंट है। तो सबसे
सबको समान।
लेकिन भद्रा दाल ठंडी छे,
Complain
એમાં
કેવી લાગે
મીઠું
છે?
નથી નાખ્યો,
Complain કેવી
ખબર
લાગે છે?
પડતી નથી। तो we boiled with different person different। मैं आपको थोड़ी सी कहूंगी कि अरे नवीन भाई जल्दी से, मेरे वो शिविर का टाइम हो गया, लेट हो रही है। मैं अरे हिमप्रज्ञा जी आपने यहाँ उत्तरी क्यों फैलाए हैं? तो उसने कहा कि कैंप यही है। मैंने कहा यहाँ नहीं, नवीन भाई के नहीं, दिनेश भाई के घर है। उनको मन में था कि भाई ये बड़ा उधर ही है। मैं उनको कह रही थी कि उनका घर बड़ा घर होगा ना, उधर ही करेंगे इस बार। तो उन्होंने आहार किया, उन्होंने सोचा कि यही बड़ा घर है इधर है, तो यही करना होगा। तो जो कुछ थोड़ा सा सीला कपड़ा था उन्होंने स्प्रेड किया। मैंने कहा जाने का देखो दिनेश, नवीन बनने का कि वहाँ लोग आ चुके हैं और आप ये उत्तरी फैला रहे। तो मैं उनको तो नहीं जोर से कह सकती ना, इनको मैंने जोर से कहा अरे यहाँ उत्तरी फैला रहे हो। तो उन्होंने कहा मुझे पता नहीं कि यहाँ नहीं है क्या, मैंने सोचा यही है। मैंने कहा यहाँ नहीं है, अपन को यहाँ से जाना है, जल्दी से सामान रखो। गीता बेन तमे सामान गाड़ी में मूकी दो है, जस्ट आई एम गोइंग। सामान
પછી લે फिर क्या लाते थे?
तो वो माइंड में बस जाना है तो जाना है, सब लेके आपने यहाँ क्यों फैला रखा है। तो अब देखिए हम सभी की डिफरेंट लेवल है, डिफरेंट सिचुएशन है। आपको बड़े काम है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत बातें हैं, और हमारे दो पात्री, दो बैग, दो सामान, उसमें भी मैं उसको कहती हूँ कि भाई यहाँ क्यों ऐसा रख दिया, वहाँ क्यों वैसा कर दिया। तो वो होता है कि हम तो वी बॉयल एट डिफरेंट पर्सन एट डिफरेंट थिंग्स।
Why do we do that?
We do because kasa is inside, and this rag and grace is coming up and creating something.
But you still have that anger. The anger.
हाँ
कि आपने जब बताया
हाँ
कि ये दाल ठंडी हो गई,
हाँ
तो वो बहुत वाइज बताया। आपका बॉइलिंग बहुत लो 10 डिग्री बढ़ा दो, 20 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 4 टाइम्स बना दो, वो रियलिटी का है। वो बॉइलिंग लेवल तो दूसरा हो जाता है। आपने तो बहुत माइल से बताया डॉक्टर।
लेकिन भाभी तो बहुत शांत है। भाभी
Something. Can I
अभी
ask?
साथ में
भाभी की बात
किया।
करो।
હવે શાંતિ ગયા છે.
We show our anger.
બધાનું હોય, બધાનું હોય.
We show our anger to people who are close to us. And what you're saying is that we don't say it in the same tone to someone who is not close, but you still have that anger inside you. That is something that just stops it. But that anger is still there, isn't it?
Yes.
So
right.
that is still Kashai, isn't it?
Yeah, that is still
Yeah,
Kasai.
so-
But still, like, if policeman is there, and if a general person is there, then we can't get angry on policeman. We can't get. Huh? Yes sir, yes sir. Huh?
So, but then that is a kind of hypocrisy as well, isn't it?
Yeah, we understand that here we do. If some higher level, like Himpragaji is there, Himpragaji is younger than me. I can say, Himpragaji, how you spread the Uttariya, we have to go in other house. Why you are spreading? If suppose I'm junior and some senior with me and she have done it, then in my tone, Vandami, यहाँ नहीं डालिए, अपन को दिनेश भाई की my tone will change. Vandami, or little maybe inside I'm angry, but I say Vandami, यहाँ मत डालिए, अपन को यहाँ नहीं रहना, अपन को दूसरी जगह जाना है, और मैं उसको उठा के anger with respect. Anger is there, but in coated form.
Yeah.
Sugar coated हो गया.
That's what I
Coated हो गया.
coated हो गया तो वो still be
देखो, binding of karma is still
still
there.
yeah.
And if my kasai is at less level, then the karma binding is mild. And if I boiled on, sometimes people don't have that type of reasoning mind and they get angry, like son get angry on father and daughter-in-law get angry on mother-in-law. They do understand they are my father-in-law, mother-in-law, they are my mother and father, but even though they get angry. And at some level, if the reasoning mind is there, and then they understand, okay, we have to say but in different way to make them realize. So not boiled that much, and not boiled, then kasai itla shant che, upshant che. So less binding, definitely less binding.
बहुत साल पहले आपने प्रेक्षा मेडिटेशन का भी जो किया शॉर्ट एंड कायोग सर वाला, does it matter which one we do? You also do another one, long one where you speak and talk. वो भी that's a long.
वो साधना है.
वो
वो साधना है. सदते सदते we have to do that for
Talk
and
talk
then
with
our body is so receptive. If I say stop, like switch off जैसे. So first we have practiced so many times, and even regularly we practice it.
वो भी कर सकते हैं.
That no, it is regularly in our practice. Dinesh bhai, regular practice है, because this is the beginning point. Relaxation is the starting point, and relaxation is the ending point. I get the sadhana, like Siddha Buddha Mukta relaxation, final relaxation, and it starts from, like, I am doing lecture at Mahavir Foundation every Sunday, upper Swadhyay Hall છે, અને Swadhyay Hall માં 9:30 and Sangharsh ka families. It's for open, so everybody, for everybody, if you join and come. So I did 10 lectures on importance of Kayat Sat, and not people, but it was really a deep swadhyaya of Kayat Sat, because Acharya Jin Bhadragani Kshamastraman, he wrote a full length of 100 slokas, then Kayat Sat Shatak, so many granth on Kayat Sat, and for writing this PhD, more than 100 pages I have to read. Modern Kayat Sat, Western Kayat Sat, psychological Kayat Sat, scientific Kayat Sat, and then old Kayat Sat, and ritualistic form of Kayat Sat from Avasyak literature. So it's vast subject. Yes. So let me conclude. Time is over, almost over. 1 minute, like.
स्वामी जी, एक क्वेश्चन कर सकता हूँ कर्म की थ्योरी के लिए?
Shall we take for next Sunday? Please come. अध्यक्ष महोदय कभी आप आइए हैं?
But it's, you can continue if everybody wants to continue.
સાહેબનો પ્રશ્ન જવાબ આપી
Continue
દો.
करता है, we can continue.
સાહેબનો પ્રશ્ન જવાબ આપી દો પછી આપણે
Yeah?
નેક્સ્ટ સન્ડે કરીએ.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Karma's account has got to be settled.
हाँ.
Karma's account has got to be settled.
हम्म.
तो परिवार जो कर्म करते हैं,
हम्म.
if परिवार does the कर्म,
हम्म.
इसका परिवार का issues, will they have to suffer? Because I attended a talk whereby the Spanish people went to the colonies and looted so much things, right? And then would the Spanish people, now at the moment there is a Euro crisis, so people are saying they are suffering their karmas in Europe. So ऐसा होते हैं कि परिवार का कर्म और परिवार will the next परिवार suffer?
Next परिवार.
અગલા જનરેશન
Next
ઘરવાળા.
generation. Next generation.
Generation. You know, in Tattva Sutra there is Parasparopaggraho Jivana. We are self-individual entity. Even though we have connection, we have Rag and Dves, we have Lena and Dena with many people. Someone is here, someone is Africa, someone in India, someone did in family. One person got a high position and we feel good. India did, suppose India cricket માં જીત ગયો. હા? અને તમે અહીંયા લંડનમાં રહો છો. ઇન્ડિયામાં કોઈ ઘણું બધું ક્રિકેટનો તમારું કોઈ પણ કેટલી ખુશી થાય છે. ઇન્ડિયા જીત, इंडिया डिड, इंडिया गॉट दिस. हमको भी हो जाता है इंडिया ने ये किया है. तो क्या है, हमारी कनेक्टिविटी है. हमारी इंडिविजुअल के साथ साथ संसार में हमारे ताना बेजी कई जगह लगी हुई. वी आर कनेक्टेड एंड ड्यू टू दिस वी फील पेन, प्लेजर. લાસ્ટ યર એક ભાઈ આવ્યો કે સમયજી તમને ખબર છે મારી ભાણજીનો કેટલું મોટું પેકેજ મળ્યું છે. મને તો ખબર નહીં कि वो तो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में छप के आया था. तो मैंने कहा मैं सदा टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया नहीं पढ़ा. लेकिन वो व्यक्ति इतना खुश होकर के ऐसा लग रहा था कि सारा पैसा उसके खीसे में आया. उसने कहा आज तक इंडिया में इतना बड़ा पैकेज नहीं मिला है. 1.25 करोड़ का पैकेज जैसे स्टडी पूरी करके वो बाहर निकला है उसको मिला है. और ये मेरा भांजा है. तो मैंने कहा देखो आदमी कितना खुशी होता है. इस आदमी को एक भी पैसा नहीं मिलने वाला है. भांजा कोई पैसा आके देगा क्या मामा को? है मामा, मामा से ही लेगा. कितनी खुशी है. और वो 1 साल पहले की बात है. एंड स्टिल ही इज एंजॉयिंग दैट इवेंट. और अपना बच्चा कभी फ्लाइंग कलर से पास हो जाता है, कोई नंबर ले आता है, कुछ और लेता है, किसी ने कुछ किया है. तो हम कितनी बार उस घटना को जीते हैं. તમને ખબર છે આપણે કેટલા નંબર લાવે છે. આ દાઈ છોકરી, આ છોકરો, મારે ત્યારે એમનો ભાણજો છે, ભત્રીજો છે, એને ફ્રેન્ડનો દીકરો છે, ફ્રેન્ડને ફ્રેન્ડનો દીકરો છે. તો we connect and we feel good, we feel joy. और कोई ऐसी वैसी घटना हो जाए वो कोई लगता है कि તમારે કશું લાગતા હતા કે એ શાહ છે કે મહેતા છે કે એ એમનો તમારે કોઈ કનેક્શન? ના ના, અમારે કોઈ કનેક્શન નથી. કોઈ કનેક્શન નથી. એ બીજા શાહ છે. અમારા 36 ગામડાના શાહ નથી, 52 ગામડાના શાહ નથી, લેરના નથી, એમના નથી, તેમના નથી. અને બધું આપણે we are not there and we are there. So this is, we all rejoice good and bad,
સુખ ને દુઃખ.
સુખ ને દુઃખ. અને એમનો આપણે we start connecting and binding of the mind. or we cannot stop it. Just awareness. It is awareness. Awareness આવી જાય તો થોડુંક આદમી સમળ જાય છે. જ્યારે અવેરનેસ ના હોય તો કેટલી કર્મ બંધાણની ઘટનાને ફરીથી આત્મપ્રશંસા, સેલ્ફ પ્રેજ. હું ત્યારે આ સ્ટોરી બોલી સાંભળો હિમ પ્રજ્ઞાજી, બધા માણસો કે સ્ટોરી છે, શું છે આ વાત, શું છે એમ. અરે શું છે આ તમારી સ્ટોરી નથી, કોઈએ પણ લખી છે and you just use. This is not your point. This is from what I did from Avchetan Man Ka Sampark, what I did from Munishri Sagarmalji's Geet, Rishbhai Name. He composed this. I am just an instrument to pass on to you people. So just practice. I have given a small gift in your hand. Practice. Catharsis. જેટલું catharsis થઈ જાય એટલું સારું.